Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting room with other participants. The first thing you need to do is to go to Apps. On the left-hand side, under Builders, you're going to click Webinar Builder. It's going to open up the dashboard of the webinar. You're going to scroll until you get to the blue plus sign. You're going to click on the plus. It's going to give you 3 different options. You're going to choose the one at the top because we're creating a meeting room with other participants. We're going to click Next. We are not streaming a file, but we are going to have a webinar room where we invite others to the room. We're not adding a broadcast target because this is private and will not be shown on Facebook or YouTube. You click Next. We're going to open up the webinar room. You're going to put in your name. And we're going to allow for camera use. There we go. Hi guys. Alright, so now we're going to invite a participant. You'll see here at the top it says invite participant. You're going to copy that link. And I'm just going to send it to myself quickly so that I can join myself in this webinar. That's very strange, I know. So let me go grab it here and click on it. And I'm just going to call myself Jackie 2 on it. And okay. And okay. Oh, I haven't said okay. Let me just try again. And there we go. So this is your other participants, or participants in this case. So you want to maybe share something with them. You're just going to go to Start Screen Share and you will choose your template. And when your meeting is over, all you need to do is say goodbye to them. And this is how easy this is inside of Builderall to create a meeting room for you and your participants. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.